Snowflake, Tutorial, Part-1. Snowflake, Architecture, 1 Cloud Service Layer, 2 Query Processing Layer, 3 DB Storage Layer. 1. Cloud Services Layer. Cloud Services Layer has collection of services that organize the all activities across Snowflake. It will do the authentication and access control of the Snowflake. It will do the metadata management and also security. Cloud Service Layer is handling the serverless tasks like Snowpipe, MView management and task, query parsing, optimization and access control, etc. 2. Query Processing Layer. Query processing is the actual processing unit of Snowflake, and Snowflake processes queries using virtual warehouses. And also Query Processing Layer will use the compute nodes through the virtual warehouses. And compute cost will be calculated on the basis of query execution time on virtual warehouses. We can do the scale up and scale out in this layer. Scale up is increasing the size of warehouse, and scale out is the process increasing the number of warehouses. Auto suspend and auto resume is also happening in this layer only. 3. Database Storage Layer. Stores table data and query results. Data will be stored in columnar format. Data will be stored in micro-partitions. Snowflake manages all aspects of how this data is stored, i.e. the data organization, file size, structure, compression, metadata, statistics. The data objects stored by Snowflake are not directly visible nor accessible by customers. They are only accessible through SQL query operations run using Snowflake. We can define cluster keys on large tables for better performance.